Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, in today's video we're going to talk about HD lace. Alright, so I have 3 tips for all my business owners or people that just want to get lace and don't know what to do, what to look for, or anything. Never tried lace at all before either. So this video is for you. Alright, so rule number 1 when you're trying out HD lace, research the company. Okay, research the company. Just don't go by their pictures. Alright, go by user's experience. Okay, because pictures look all nice, they look all soft, it looks like, oh, that's your hairline. And then when you get into real life, you're like, oh, snap, this does not look anything like what the pictures look like. So get your reviews, get everything that you need. Go to Facebook groups that specialize in wig making, wig sellers, extensions, vendors list, and type up the company's name and then see what they have to say, or just type up HD lace. See, you get a whole bunch of stuff, people asking questions that you probably wanted to ask, and then you'll have answers from like numerous amounts of people, wig makers, cosmetologists, people that specialize and do this, you know, wigs for basically a living. Eat, live, and breathe wigs. So next what you want to do is make sure that the actual HD lace is HD lace, and when it comes in, you're going to check to see if it's frayed at the ends. Frayed means that it's kind of coming apart, it's like shedding a little bit, the hair. So it's the edge of the lace, and it'll have like little threads, part of the lace that's like separating from it. So that's like, oh, okay, good, good, good. Then you know that that's HD lace, right? And you also want to make sure that the lace is thin, not transparent lace. That is thin HD lace. Now, some people will dupe you, and some people will give you HD lace that is very, very thick, all right? Now, that thick HD lace is going to be okay, you know what I'm saying? But it's not going to be like, ooh, where's that hairline? You want it to basically melt in your skin without putting on adhesives. Because I really, truly believe in glueless wigs. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to take off my wigs when I get home. I don't want to sit in the hair all day. You know, I want to switch up my wigs every other day. Whatever I want to do, whatever I'm wearing, I just want to have versatility. So, with the HD lace, of course, it looks like your scalp. You know what I'm saying? From a distance. Now, let me just explain. I don't understand why people are like, they shouldn't be in my face that close up to me anyway. When do you talk to people across the whole freaking football field? Like, no, people are going to be at least a foot away from you if you're talking to them in personal conversation. Okay? That's just life. I don't know where you're at. Maybe you just don't talk to anybody. But hey. So you want to make sure that it looks as realistic as possible. And again, look at the reviews. I cannot stress this enough. You will save yourself hundreds of dollars, because lace is very expensive now, especially HD lace. It's like going from 120, 140, 150. Lace is extremely expensive. All right, it went up before inflation went up. Okay, so and once they hit that price, I'm now noticing they're sticking with it because people are buying it at that price. So it is what it is. And if you have really good lace, then you better charge, because lace can last you up to like, I think lace can last you, a good HD lace can actually, I changed my mind, last you about a year with proper care, especially if you have like more than one wig in rotation, because you do have to wash the wig, and you do have to protect the lace when you wash it. And I'll have a tutorial coming out about washing your wigs, and you can also probably find one on my page about washing wigs and stuff like that, and how to preserve it. But I have a better one that's actually on my website, mercycouturewigs.com, that is going to come up soon. Alright, so stay tuned and keep looking. But I also have curling and styling tutorials as well. Alright, so now with the HD lace, you've done your research, you bought the lace, you've checked it out to make sure that it's frayed, that it's not thin. One thing, oh, before you buy it, one thing you have to do is make sure, it's also imperative, is to make sure they have small knots. Because even though you have those big knots, they're not going to bleach properly, and you're going to still see the knots. So if you have thin knots on your lace, HD lace, then your probability of having more of a seamless look is really, really high, okay? Check it out. Alright, so I think, you know, this is what you should look out for. Make sure that they're not trying to sell you transparent lace. With transparent lace is basically Swiss lace. It's just the color transparent. So you can always make it darker. You know what I'm saying? HD lace is one kind of specific kind of material that they're using for that specific that lace piece, okay, that little hair replacement. So you want to make sure it's HD lace. They have stuff called clear lace too, which is probably HD lace as well, but just even probably whiter. But check it out. Remember, ask the vendor, ask the person you're buying the hair from, make sure that it's HD lace, look at their pictures, and make sure that it's from a trusted, reliable source, okay? Company. That's what you want to do. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that I gave you all the information you needed so you can go and buy your HD lace with confidence, all right? And like I said, if you're going for a special occasion, I'd mentioned this in another video. Get HD lace, girl. get it, okay? It is the truth, especially if you're fair skinned too. Get HD lace, all right? It looks so much better. It's like, you know, the best, okay? And that's just my opinion. But go with whatever you can afford too. That's also important too. Whatever looks good and you can afford it. All right? So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below and leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have any vendors that you've tried, I might have tried them. If you wanted to know maybe what kind of vendors I've tried or whatever, just ask below, you know, or you can send me an email at mercycouturewigs@gmail.com. All right? Thanks. Later.